Hey there, glow babies. Are you ready to dive into the magical world of makeup with me? Today, we're shining the spotlight on one of the most dazzling and dramatic looks out there, smoky eyes. The smoky eye is a true classic, loved by makeup artists and beauty fans everywhere. It's bold, it's mysterious, and it's totally customizable to fit your unique style. The secret? It's all about blending those deep, rich shades into lighter tones, creating a soft, seamless transition that makes your eyes pop with drama and intrigue. And guess what? Smoky eyes aren't just for one type of look. Whether you love a classic black, a warm brown, or want to experiment with bold, unexpected colors, there's a smoky eye for everyone, no matter your eye shape, size, or color. Don't worry if you're new to this. We'll break down the process step by step, from choosing your shades to blending like a pro. By the end, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to master this iconic look. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. There are no rules, just creativity, color, and confidence. And if you make a mistake, don't sweat it. Just wipe it off, laugh it off, and try again. Every great look starts with a little practice. So, are you ready to turn your makeup fears into fierce, fabulous confidence? Grab your brushes, unleash your inner artist, and let's get started on your smoky eye adventure. Before we start, let's grab our essentials. You'll need an eyeshadow primer for a smooth, long-lasting base. Pick a palette with a light matte shade, a medium transition color, and a deep matte shadow, plus a shimmer if you want extra pop. For brushes, just 3. A flat shader, a fluffy blender, and a small pencil brush. Add a creamy eyeliner pencil and your favorite mascara. Optional, false lashes for extra drama. Gather your tools, no need for a huge collection. Let's get ready to slay. Time to dive in. Get ready to unleash your inner makeup artist, because we're about to create a bold, dramatic, smoky eye that's perfect for any party or night out. Gather your favorite eyeshadow palette, brushes, and a little bit of confidence. This look is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Start by priming your eyelids to make sure your eyeshadow stays vibrant and lasts all night. Then, set the primer with a light matte shade to create a smooth, even base for blending. With a fluffy brush, sweep your medium transition color into the crease using windshield wiper motions. This step helps everything blend together seamlessly and adds depth to your look. Take your time and build up the color gradually for a soft, diffused effect. Next, pack the dark shadow onto your eyelid with a flat brush, making sure to stay below the crease. Press the color on gently for maximum intensity, and don't worry if it looks a little messy at first. We'll blend it out soon. Build up the intensity as you like. Layer the shadow until you reach your desired level of drama, whether you want a subtle smoky look or something truly bold and eye-catching. Use a pencil brush to smudge the same dark shade along your lower lash line. This step ties the whole look together and adds that signature smoky effect to your eyes. Blend out the lower lash line with your transition color for a seamless, professional finish. Softening the edges here makes the look more polished and sultry. Don't worry about perfection. Just focus on building and blending. Makeup is meant to be creative, so let yourself experiment and enjoy the process. This is where the smoky magic begins. Watch as your eyes transform into a stunning, dramatic statement that's sure to turn heads. Let's move on to blending it all together, making sure every edge is soft and every color melts into the next. Your smoky eye masterpiece is almost complete. Blending is key. It's the secret sauce that transforms your eyeshadow from patchy and harsh to seamless and professional. If you want that soft, airbrushed look, blending is your best friend. Start by grabbing a clean, fluffy brush. This is your magic wand for softening the edges between your dark lid color and your transition shade. Gently sweep back and forth where the two colors meet, letting the brush do the work. Use gentle, circular motions for a smooth gradient. Think of it like buffing out any harsh lines, until everything looks perfectly diffused and blended together. If you lose intensity while blending, don't worry. Just add a bit more dark shadow to the lid and blend again. Building up color slowly gives you more control and a flawless finish. Accidentally blended too high? No problem. Clean up the area with a light shadow or a touch of concealer right under your brow to sharpen and lift the look. Worried about fallout? Try doing your eyes first before foundation, or pack some extra powder under your eyes to catch any stray shadow. This makes cleanup a breeze. When you're done, simply sweep away any mess with a fluffy brush for a clean, polished finish. Remember, no mistake is permanent. Just keep blending and adjusting until you're happy. Makeup is all about experimenting and having fun. Now let's finish the look and admire your beautifully blended masterpiece. Time for the finishing touches. Line your upper waterline and lash line with a creamy pencil, then smudge for extra smokiness. Apply generous coats of mascara to top and bottom lashes. Add false lashes if you want even more drama. Step back and admire your work. You nailed the smoky eye. Remember, practice makes perfect, and confidence is your best accessory. Wear your look with pride and keep experimenting. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.